Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how to verify discounts in store using OTC network card. This video is only helpful for those who has OTC network card. To check discounts, go to myotcoffers.com. I will provide website link in description. Here you can discover discounts in products. You can shop and choose items that are currently discounted. These are the list of participating retailers. For example, CVS, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Giant Eagle, Walgreens, Walmart, etc. To check in-store discount, click on In-Store Savings. Then choose the store. For example, I am choosing Walgreens. Then choose the categories. In the categories, you will see number of coupons. For example, 6 coupons for baby, 10 for cold and cough, everyday items, health, household, hygiene, oral health, OTC medication, pain relief, supplements, etc. I am clicking on baby coupons. These are the list of several coupons. As you can see, $2.25 off on baby calm and comfort, $1 off on Huggies. If you click on coupon, it will show valid offer for different retailers. You can choose different stores and find out the coupon for eligible items. I don't have good experience with online saving discount, but this one works pretty well for in-store savings. You can check on this website first regarding saving and coupons and visit the store to buy the items. If you want to know about the eligible item list, video available in description and I button. Thank you for watching and see you next time.